Hello! This is our elite court apartment, the smart home, a work in progress. As you can see, construction is currently ongoing. This project is an 11 units of 4-bedroom terrace duplex with boys quarter. This estate has certain interesting features such as a swimming pool, 24 hours power supply, a gym house, 24-hour security with CCTV and lots more. Don't forget, it's also a smart house. If you have a taste for luxury, class and comfort, then Elite Court Apartment is definitely for you. This estate is located at near Wellington Swimming Close, off Samwobo Street, GRA 53, Port Harcourt. With just an initial deposit of 40 million naira, you can become a proud owner of a smart home. Let's talk to an engineer on site.
The quality of the materials used is not compromised. You can see our main bars, we are making use of 16mm bars according to the design, the specification. We have on the top 6 of those 16mm bars, 4 straight ones and then 2 underlined, just like you can see. While the bottom bars are just 4 in number. We are not compromising the materials, the concrete, the mix ratio, everything we are doing because of the nature of the ground. So I can assure anyone that wants to come and try, to just relax, make payment, come and enjoy the engineering.
You've heard from our engineer. We do not compromise when it comes to the materials we use for our production. We are always here to serve you with the best. Think construction, think investment, think Odibola Properties.